What does deposit mean in banking? Options are A. To take money out, B. To put money into an account, C. To close an account, D. To borrow money. The correct answer is to put money into an account. What does withdraw mean? Options are A. To add money, B. To remove money from an account, C. To check the balance, D. To open a loan. The correct answer is to remove money from an account. What is an account balance? Options are the total money available in an account, B. A bank form, C. A type of loan, D. A payment card. The correct answer is the total money available in an account. What does interest mean in banking? Options are A. Money paid or earned for using money, B. A bank building, C. A customer number, D. A cash counter. The correct answer is money paid or earned for using money. What is a loan? Options are A. Money kept safely in a locker, B. Money borrowed and usually repaid later, C. Money added to savings, D. Money printed by a bank. The correct answer is money borrowed and usually repaid later. What does transfer mean? Options are A. To move money from one account to another, B. To count coins, C. To sign a check, D. To cancel a card. The correct answer is to move money from one account to another. What is a receipt? Options are A. Written proof of payment or transaction, B. A bank password, C. A loan request, D. A savings plan. The correct answer is a written proof of payment or transaction. What does PIN usually mean? Options are A. A public bank notice, B. A personal number used for security, C. A printed invoice note, D. A payment instruction name. The correct answer is a personal number used for security. What does due date mean? Options are the last date to make a payment, B. The date an account opens, C. The date money is counted, D. The date a card is printed. The correct answer is the last date to make a payment. What does transaction mean? Options are A. Any money activity in an account, B. A bank chair, C. A paper bag, D. A cash box. The correct answer is any money activity in an account.